The Zosterops, commonly known as the white-eye bird, is a small, lively bird renowned for its distinctive white ring of feathers surrounding its eyes, resembling an embroidered eye circle. These birds are often found perched on tree branches, exhibiting playful and energetic behavior, frequently moving in flocks. White-eye birds typically feed on insects, nectar, and fruits. Perched on branches, they can often be heard chirping cheerfully, adding vibrancy and life to their natural surroundings. Their plumage is generally green or olive, providing excellent camouflage among the foliage. The presence and songs of the white-eye bird contribute greatly to the dynamism and vitality of their habitat, making them a delightful sight for bird enthusiasts and nature lovers alike.